Flames shooting out of your Ninja Woodfire oven's pellet box? Fix it fast. A small flame in the smoke box during ignition is normal, but large or constant flames can be dangerous. Here's how to stop flare-ups and prevent them from happening again. Step 1. Don't overfill the smoke box. Always use the pellet scoop that came with your oven and fill only to the top of the smoke box. Overfilling adds oxygen and fuel that can lead to uncontrolled flames. Step 2. Keep the lid closed in wind. Wind blowing across the open pellet box can feed the fire and send flames out the side. When adding pellets in windy conditions, keep the oven lid closed until you're ready to pour, then close it again immediately. Step 3. Use only dry Ninja Woodfire pellets. Moisture in pellets can cause uneven burning, sudden ignition, or excess smoke that flares. That's why storing them in a sealed pellet container is so important. I've linked the one I use below. It's airtight, weatherproof, and keeps pellets dry so they ignite cleanly and burn evenly. Step 4. Empty grease and ash. Regularly, grease buildup in trays or ash buildup in the smoke box can ignite if exposed to flame. Let the oven cool completely before removing the smoke box and dumping the ash into a safe container. Step 5. Never add pellets by hand. Always use the pellet scoop to keep your hands and sleeves away from heat and flame. If you still see large flames after following these steps, stop using the oven and contact Ninja support using the link in the description. And if you need an airtight pellet storage container, I've linked the one I use below. It keeps pellets in perfect condition, so your oven lights quickly and burns safely. Subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. Thanks for watching, and keep the fire where it belongs.